hooked up on a keeper tog.
Oh, that's a good one. Get in. That's a good one. I think that might be a keeper. So what's happening is, I was just sleeping 30 minutes ago, and my grandma came up and told me that some guy just caught like a 30-inch tog at the beach. So I ran out here, and my cousin and grandpa were already ready, so I ran down, rigged up. My grandpa just hooked up, that's the video you guys saw. And as he was on, he had his hooks in the ground and everything. My rod bent and went into the water, like it was going out. I ran into the water, grabbed it, and I got a giant tog. Felt good. Big rod, small person. That one didn't pull the rod on the water. Yeah. Ooh. Looks like a keeper. That's a female. Gone.
Show, man.
Get it. Oh, damn it. Pancake. I got you, Frank. How's it going? It looks good. Hopefully it's a male. Benziki fish. Yeah, big tog. Oh, looks like a male. No. Yeah, it's a male. That might be keeper. 16.
Sure, okay.
This is gonna be a weird video. I was in the middle of editing another video, and we just found out there were people catching fish down here. When we came down, no one else was down here because people had left, and we started catching tog. So this is gonna be more of like catch, clean, and cook. We're gonna have a fish fry tonight. I'm gonna clean these fish up, and I still have to upload one other video that I have. So yeah, we have a boat tomorrow. We're probably gonna go tog fishing and fluke fishing. So we're gonna try that, but we still have to clean and cook and hopefully catch more of these fish. So let's do that. These fish, I can't really videotape the filleting, but I'll just tell you this is a 16, 22, 20. So we're gonna videotape the filleting, or not videotape the filleting, and then I'm gonna cook them up later. So I've got all the fish gutted. This is the head of the biggest one. It's like 3 pounds. The head and the body. This is the head of the biggest one, the body of the smallest one. And like, wow. Like, look at that. All slimy. I'm gonna fillet smallest to biggest. This guy being like Big Daddy. So I'm gonna fillet and then I'll get back to you guys. I have to tip my finger off. The only thing that's holding it together is the part under the nail. Probably the bone too. Hurts really bad. But I'm not missing any meat, which is good. I'll finish up filleting. Absolutely no meat missed on any. Bigger, medium, small. Looks really good. I'm gonna skin them. We're gonna go eat them for dinner later. This is like 5, 6 pounds of just meat right there. Yummy, yummy. Then we got.
On your ham sandwich?
We have some. Where'd it go? Just disappeared. Sea robin and piece of puffer fishing meat from last video. Cooking up the fish. sea robin, and pufferfish. This is gonna be tasty. Hog, pufferfish, and Noah.
Yay!
Meaty.
Thighs.
Yes. The Romans. The late Roman cookbook of Apicius. 400. Language, what?
Fish.
Meaty.
It's not focusing.
Italian.
We were catching this fish right down there. Some birds moving all too far out of casting range and stuff, but that's a good sign. Got all of our rods here at the house. A lot of rods, lot of rods, lot of rods. Some fish.
Now I just put it back.
Now I can just like, the thing is,
If we had an answer, it'd be servers, and they cannot go back to the customer and try to replace those HP servers. Do you want malt vinegar or do you want malt vinegar? They're looking to challenge people, to push people to the, push people to the max to see if they can get, oh hey, girl, let me call you back because Mike's calling.
it's really good. Tog, and then I'm gonna have some pufferfish, which should be good too. This is the pufferfish. Really tasty. Chicken. Delicious. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video there. I hope you guys enjoyed that catch and cook. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we're gonna be out in the water tomorrow, hopefully catching some big fish. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.